Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to delete TapTap Send account permanently. First, you will have to open TapTap Send on your phone, and here on the top left side, you will find these three horizontal lines. You just have to tap on them. And after that, it will show you here the main menu. You just have to click on support. It will redirect you to this page. Down below right here, you can see this underlined with the text contact us. Click on it, and now here it will show you all the contact methods that you can use in order to talk to their support. You can call them, you can email them, and here you have some frequently asked questions that you can actually check if you want to solve any problem that you are facing. But here in our case, we will just click on the email, then try to email them. It will redirect you to this page, and now we can simply text them and tell them exactly that you want to delete the account permanently, and you can also tell them why do you want to delete your account, but just be specific. And once you enter this message, you can simply click on submit right here. Then as soon as possible, they will solve your problem and delete your account permanently with all its files attached to it. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.